welcome to today's tip. I've got a really fantastic tip for you today that easily brings your page together and brightens up everything in a cohesive way. Now what I mean by that is making sure that the colours that we've got in our page run really well together and they sort of transform our pages from looking ordinary to more inclusive, and they just sort of stand out so much more when our colours work. I've got some lovely paper here that I wanted to use. It's got this rustic wooden background and it suits the place that we were visiting this day. And what I wanted to do was sort of try and make it pop. And so what I've done is I've cut that down by ½ an inch all the way around. I found some corresponding cardstock that I thought, oh yeah, that would really set it off. Then on the inside of that, I got my craft knife out and I cut out 2 photo mats. I put my page back on top. I then put my photos on my photo mats. I haven't quite decided how I want it to go just yet. I might trim down some of these photos, I'm not sure. But essentially, that just made my page completely work. It turned it from just odd bits to now this completely what could look like a finished page. It's so easy. You add a few embellishments in, maybe a title, whatever you've got in your stash, and look how quickly you can put a page together. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you next time.